Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. And now in today's video, we are seeing building functions. Okay, we have already covered whichever topic in function, and our only remain part was building functions. So today I'm covering that too. And without wasting much time, let's begin. So first of all, filter. How filter work? So we have like pass this filter name itself, like filter word itself work as a built-in function. Okay, after that you have to pass whichever function you want to perform on that, and iterable is nothing but on which iterator you want to iterate that function. That's what you have to pass it over here. What it will give us in output, it only returns true values in the filter object and has to be converted into tuple or list by using typecasting. Alright, so here we have passed one list and we have stored it in list one object. That is here it will be representing our iterator. So here it is iterator, and we have used over here like typecasting. So we have used list in parenthesis, we are passing this function and iterable. So filter building up function we are using, and which function we are passing over here, this like lambda x colon x divided by 2 is not equal to 0. Means it have to give us values from this least one, that is our iterator over here, from that which are not equal to 0 if we divide that value by 2. Let's execute it. This is how filter built-in function will work. Alright, so it have filtered all those values which are not divided by 2, means that is not equals to 0, and it have given to us those values. After that, map function, same uh, map after that function, and whichever iterable is nothing but over here iterator we are passing, and we want to perform that operation on that particular iterator. It will return a map function object and has to be converted same like list or tuple. You have to convert it with the help of typecasting. Same I have used over here this map built-in function, and I'm giving here example like divided by 2 equals to 0. Let's execute it. Yeah, it will gives us every result for every value, and it will show us like if it is divided by 2 equal to 0, then it will gives us true, else it is gives us false. If that condition is false, it will gives us in result false, else it will gives us true. Here I'm using the map building function, and lambda x colon x into 3 means x power of 3, and least one, that is our iterator we are passing. Let's execute it. This is how it is giving us cube of every value or power, third power of that every value in that least one. Okay, after that all here we have to only pass that iterator whichever we are using over here, we have used over here like least one, and it will give us it is true or false. When it will give us true or false, that will I will tell you. Like if you are passing values in that particular iterator, here we used list, and we have passed like 1 to 10 values. But if we are passing 0 in that value, it will give us false, and for false also it will give us false. Like over here we haven't passed 0, over here we passed 0, so that's why it is giving us false. Any, how any will work, if any one of the element is true, means it will give us true. If any one element is true, like over here we have passed multiple of 0 with 10, it will give us true because one value is true. It don't care, means this any function won't care if there is any one value that is true, it will give us true output. Like in all, If you have any 1 0 or maybe yeah 1 false, then it will give us false over here. In any, if we are passing empty iterator, then it will give us false. So you have to make sure that you have to pass value, some value, or maybe you won't pass over there like empty iterator. All right, after that, this chr of parenthesis, that is character. Okay, after that we are checking in character. This is how we can check, means at uh, which number we have stored what. So like you can check for 65 we are having A88, Z for 90. Likewise you can check which character is stored at which number. This is how means this character, or maybe means alphabet like A to Z small, A to Z capital, or maybe some special character like at the rate dot, everything is stored at particular number in our means this, what I can say, like in all our like PCs or everything, like everything it is stored at everywhere. So we have given it predefined number to it, like whenever means it came from our what I can say, it came from our uh, very older days, like in past they have stored values with alphabets. They have means did this and stored every alphabet with a number. So see, this is how some special character also stored. Okay, so we will check. And now see what ORD will give. With the help of ORD of that, if you want to check where A is stored at which number, so this is how you can check where 1 is stored, where 49 is stored. Likewise, you can check, like see, we have checked ORD is stored at, means we have passed over here 1 and we are checking. In string we are passed like ORD of string of 1, where this one is stored, and we have executed it and we are checking like, oh, 49th position it is stored. So let's check it out with chr, and this is how we checking it with character and it is giving us 1 same. So this is how you can check. All right, after that, binary function, binary built-in function. So binary of 10, it will simply work like this only. Okay, binary of any value, you have to pass bin, and in parenthesis you have to pass that value. All right, after that, format, how format will work. If you want this 10 in octal format, you have to simply pass this format of that particular value, and you have to pass in which format you want it. Over here I am saying in binary. Over here I want like 0.5 f. So after 10 means I want 5 digit, so it is giving us point and 5 zeros. Over here again we said for 100 we want 1 point f. Likewise you can go ahead, but if you only pass f, it will give just 6 digit after that point. You can check it also over here, calculate 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, after that, eval. If what eval do, it evaluates and executes an expression. Okay, so here I have passed this variable and I'm saying eval input, enter your number, and simply printing that the value of given the value given by user is this, like we have storing it in this word, that's why I'm passed over here store, and type of store is okay. Let's execute it. So I will pass over here 10. So here the value given by user is 10 and its type is integer class. And if you will pass like this, eval of in string list we have passed with some number, so it will print that particular list, nothing. Okay, so what ABS gives us? It gives you distance from 0. Like if you will pass any number, it will give us it from 0 where it is. Okay, so see, if I will give like ABS of 15. It will tell us at which position it is from 0th. Okay. After that, dir, basically y means dir, what it gives directory. So we are simply checking directory of ABS. So this much of directory available in ABS. After that, I'm importing NumPy, so we can check directory of NumPy. So this much of directory available of NumPy. After that, I'm simply checking directory of help. So this much of directory available in help. So after that, round built-in function. All right. So how it work? So over here, I want to round this value particular. I have stored it in A. I'm rounding it, so it will give us round value of that and exclude rest of the parts. And see over here, B equals to, we are passing a lot of number, and we are simply saying round of B comma 2. So after point we want 2 digits, so this is how you can round it. All right, C equals to 1.98888888, and let's round it out. Let's check it out. 2, because see 1.98 means after 1.5 it is greater, so after greater value it will round towards next value, and if you have lesser value before 0.5, then it will round towards prior value. This is what I'm considering that you are already aware about it. So guys, I tried to cover in very fast way to reduce time. I know if I will cover in lesser time, you will um, try to go through every function. And here I'm ending building functions and function topic 2. You may check it out. For question, I will post multiple of short video like on function. I will cover in that particular like video for shorts. I will post over there with questions. And guys, see you soon with next topic. And here we are concluding our function topic. Thanks. Bye. Take care. Keep learning. Keep upgrading yourself. And one more point is like if you haven't started it, it's not late. Start learning Python with Priyanka, and we will for sure upgrade ourselves with something new every day. And let's close here this video and see you soon in next video. Bye bye. Take care. See you soon. Bye.